your Subaru Impreza WRX or STI smell like a wet dog? Chances are your cabin filter hasn't been changed in a while. It's not hard to do. Go get one from your auto parts store, and you just need a Phillips screwdriver. So we're just gonna undo a couple screws, and we're gonna start with the one just outside here on this trim. And I think it's gonna need 2 hands to hold. Keep the center from spinning. There we go. Just a plastic push pin on this one. This is a 2006. But yours will be pretty similar, if not the same. And then there's a couple screws here. 1, 2, 3, and I think there's a couple, maybe a couple inside as well. This is a very overlooked service item because there's just a bunch of these screws, but it doesn't take long to do. Okay, those 3, and we're gonna jump down and we're gonna take out that one, and then there's one on the other side there as well. The glove box is very, very secure. And then we open it, there's gonna be a wire for a light, but that's gonna be an easy one to move, so let's take it out. Oop, there into the glove box. Take out that one there. Hard to see, we've got some glare. And then we're going to close the glove box, and then there's a couple underneath. Let me show you. There's 2. There's one right here. And one right here. Go. Now, we just lift the glove box out. I'm just going to give it a little pull. That's it. And here's the little wire I was talking about. That's just a little clip. You just push down. Actually, this is a pull up on that side, and it comes right off. Might have to get the little screwdriver in there. Yeah, we just need to push it with the screwdriver, and that'll undo that little plastic tab. Yeah, man. Or we can just leave it and let it hang. I think this bulb is gone, so we might want to change that. Now, this is where we need to get to. That's just kind of in the way. So it's a sensor down here, and we should just be able to pull that right out. Push in on the side. There's a little thing on the side to push in, and it comes straight out. Just gives us a bit more room. Now we're just going to lift up on here and the tab here. Okay, I think this is Dirty. Okay, now you can see how much dirt is in this one. Yep, this hasn't been cleaned for a while, and look at that. Look at all that crud. So if your car is wet and smells like an old sock, chances are it's because of that. Now, is there an arrow for the airflow? There should be. Pretty much just how the writing is like that is usually the end, and that's got the bit that says end plate. Okay, so that's gross. We'll put in our new one. So there we have the airflow and down, so just like that, because the air comes in from outside and goes down into the filter. Now I see some debris in there, some stuff, so we're just gonna, now's the time to take all that out. There's a few leaves back there. That's about it. I can't see any more in there. Now open the new filter and slide it in. So you want to get your filter, airflow goes down, and you want to just slide it in just like you took the old one out. Here we go, door back on. So that sits up, little thing there, this one only goes one way. Clip, air filter in. Now it's just a matter of putting back your wires. So that sensor wire plugs in there. You got a wire that plugs in what I did here, and then to get that out, I'll show you how to do that. I did it off camera. You just lift up the back, little flat-headed screwdriver, and it comes right out. Plug that back in position. Clip, and that just goes right back where it came from. Simple. Now we're just going to get a few of the screws back in. We'll start with the easiest one. I'll just put the one on the side. And we'll go 2 screws that were down below here. Put those back in. Open it up, you've got your 3 you took out from in here. This is such a simple little job. Definitely one anyone can do themselves. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver and a new cabin filter. And the last, almost the last one on there. Now we got 2 more. Don't forget these guys. They go in into the corners. Cabin filter done. That's a quick job. Definitely one. Go do it yourself. Freshen up your cabin. Make sure it doesn't smell like, you know, a gym sock. I just wanted to show how dirty this is. Now this car has full service history from the Subaru dealer, and that just goes to show you the Subaru dealers, even like this was supposed to be done about 5,000 Ks ago was the last service. That is not 5,000 Ks with the dirt. So just goes to show the dealers probably charge you for this. I'll have to go through the old invoices, but then skip it. So anyway, hopefully the car will smell better now.